2546. Woo! Welcome to the humble abode. Booked this on Vrbo. Usually do Airbnb, but the last two I've done on Vrbo. It's Granny's room. What we got up in here? Oh yeah, got a shower. Nice little room. It's a townhouse. Closet, got its own TV. Whew. Don't mind me, I'm out of breath. Just went upstairs. It's a little kitchen area, just unpacked. Woo! Got a little table. Open area, smells freshly clean. Got a little pool out here. All right. It's like a large jacuzzi. All right. You can do it.
Look at our bathroom. Is that Mama, bring your switch.
This is the king bedroom. Not sure what's over here. Got the shower, sink, commode, walk-in closet. What we got out here? It's the pool, I think. Looks like Buddy found the toys. Buddy, you found the toys?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, but I don't want him to get his mixed up.
You only got scars. Got the bunk beds.
Keep your cars in your bag, buddy.
Got a little bathroom, okay. Mickey and friends. Buddy, you see the bathroom? And he's like, yeah. He's like, whatever, Dad.
You like this house, buddy?
Yeah.
That's it.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Logan. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, buddy.
Wait.
Yay!
Good job, buddy.
How are we doing today, my friends? What can we get started here? Excuse us, please. So sorry.
We gotta find a spot. Good little walk from the bus. Good 5 to 10 minutes maybe. Still haven't got to the front. Oh, we're almost there. First timers at Volcano Bay.
I wanted to share this with you in case it's not quite as beautiful where you are. Do I wish you were here? Fuck no.